I recently discovered a tool that completely changed how I think about content creation. It is not another one of those flashy AI video makers that promises the moon but just dumps a pile of random clips into your lap. Instead, this tool actually transforms long videos into ready-to-post, high-energy clips with almost zero manual babysitting. It feels exactly like having a dedicated professional content team sitting right there in your pocket. If you are producing podcasts, live streams, or interviews, you need a steady stream of clips that actually convert. So stick around because this saved me hours every single week. Let me show you exactly what I mean by how effective this workflow really is. I took a 45-minute podcast, uploaded it, and clicked just a couple of buttons. In under an hour, I had a massive stack of short, polished clips, including intros, sound bites, and vertical cuts formatted for TikTok. The energy was perfect, the pacing was tight, and the engagement hooks were front and center. The best part is that I didn't have to manually hunt for moments or painstakingly chop through a long recording. The software just intuitively found the segments that actually mattered. Okay, enough hype. So here is exactly how I use Vizard to create a full content pipeline without needing to be an expert editor. First, you sign up for Vizard and jump straight into the main dashboard. When you are in, look for the feature called Auto Edit. That is where the real magic happens. Upload any long video file, whether it is a live stream, a talking head segment, or a webinar. Vizard scans the file and automatically detects highlights like laughter, applause, or changes in tone. It uses that data to find the most viral potential moments in your footage. Once the scan completes, you get an organized timeline of suggested clips ready for you to review. Each suggestion includes a preview and a suggested format like vertical for Reels or square for LinkedIn. You are never stuck with the AI's choices, but these suggestions stop you from staring at the timeline guessing what works. You can filter by type, like searching for emotional moments, teaching points, or high-energy reactions. Now, here is the part that makes Vizard feel like absolute cheating. The auto-editing feature doesn't just chop. It frames, crops, and retimes clips specifically for each social platform. If you need a 30-second Instagram reel, it crops to vertical, centers the speaker, and adds subtle motion so it doesn't look static. For YouTube Shorts, it keeps the context perfectly while trimming all the unnecessary fluff. You can jump into the editor if you want to tweak anything, and it is shockingly simple given how powerful it is. You can swap thumbnails, adjust captions, add sound effects, or swap out background music with ease. Speaking of captions, Vizard auto-generates them with amazing accuracy and allows for global styling to match your brand. I personally love the content calendar and auto-schedule combo because it kills the post now or forget it trap. You just pick your frequency and it handles the heavy lifting of publishing across your social channels. You can easily drag and drop items on the calendar or shift publish times if you need a week off. The calendar view shows thumbnails and captions, making a month of content feel entirely manageable. Another underrated feature is branding consistency through customizable templates. You can set up templates for intros, lower thirds, and caption presets so every clip looks like part of your official show. Let's be honest, other tools do pieces of this, but few combine discovery, formatting, and scheduling in one place. While other generative apps are great for scratch-built visuals, they often lack the pipeline efficiency you actually need. Vizard's edge is that it is built specifically around the goal of repurposing long-form video efficiently. It identifies the best moments, formats them, maintains your brand, and posts them for you automatically. For creators who prioritize volume and consistency, the value of that workflow is absolute gold. Let me walk you through a real example so you see the workflow in action. I uploaded a 60-minute interview and Vizard immediately pulled out about 40 potential clips. It flagged several gems that would work perfectly for TikTok and others ideal for YouTube Shorts. I reviewed the suggestions, tweaked the captions, and hit the schedule button for 4 clips a week. 2 days later, those clips were live, and I saw immediate upticks in my engagement. It really felt like scaling my channel without having to hire a full-time editor. The editing tools are robust but approachable, allowing you to drag handles to extend a scene or trim a clip. If you need to remove filler words across multiple clips, there is even a batch edit feature for that. My favorite tiny feature is the command box for fast global edits. You can type something like add white subtitles in a clean font, and the tool handles it instantly across every clip. That is way faster than clicking into every single clip manually. Analytics also play a big role, feeding data back into future suggestions to help you optimize. Price-wise, it is a no-brainer compared to paying an editor or buying expensive, minute-based generative plans. If you are creating long videos, Vizard pays for itself very quickly. This doesn't replace your content strategy, but it removes the heavy lifting of the repetitive parts. You can focus on the conversations and the big ideas that actually grow your brand. If you are juggling long-form content, give Vizard a try and see the suggestions for yourself. Don't be surprised when you suddenly have a full week of high-quality content ready to go. For repurposing long videos into a steady stream of shorts, this is the tool I wish I had from day one. Stop treating editing like a chore and start treating it like a growth engine for your channel.